Last week I published a video where I give feedback to the people from the community on their website. And this week I wanted to share with you my favorite portfolio of freelancer, because it's learning from the best and analyze why a website is good that you get better and improve your skills. So let's go and analyze the first website. This is the website of Arlene Dalu, and this is super interesting because it's clean, minimal, and if you see, let me back. When I hold, you can see some technical skills, but not too much animation. There is a clear composition. For example, here, we understand that it's the composition is strong, you know, even if looks dispatched, it's pretty strong. Everything is clear, clean, the way the line A, the fact that it's compact is really interesting. The space, the font pairing. I mean, this is a really great website. The way that is displayed the project, there is really interesting stuff. This is another website. It's the portfolio of Jason Bradley. This is super interesting because it shows you how you can do something simple. This is the website. You can see the name and just the work. But the work is so impressive and cool that finally you just need to see, okay, I see the work, is available for freelance, I just need to contact him. And this is super simple to build, not simple to design because you need to have the idea, but you don't need to spend 1 month on creating your website. Sometimes it needs to be simple and it works super well. This is another website to show how you can do the things differently. For example, when you see this portfolio, it looks weird because you don't have the habit and it looks like a little bit kitsch with this window GIF, but because the font is well chosen, everything is super clean. Everything is well themed, because when you go on about, you see the guys, and when you click on about, you see that the composition, the line A, the font, everything is super clean. That you know that they are good, even if the design is weird, but it's well done. So you can do crazy stuff when you have a good knowledge in typography, and doesn't mean do a lot of things, do a lot of animation. This is really minimal and is working well. You see the project, the way the presentation is really good, so you can see that everything is clean and you want to work with them. And this is the website of Lisa Ribeiro. And first, as you can see, the font pairing is super cool because you have a bold font and something really a thin font. So the contrast is super interesting. After, she's a photograph, but the way the pictures are displayed, there is no text, nothing, because you just need to watch the pictures. And this is super interesting because you really appreciate the work. And at the end, the fact to have this small animation bring the experience and bring a personality to Lisa that is really interesting. And I think is what is important in a portfolio, to bring your own personality. And here you really can feel the personality of the website with these stickers, crazy color, reflect the work of Lisa. This is the portfolio of Minfan. Sorry for the pronunciation. And this is super cool, the video in background, super elegant, the font pairing, the color choice is really interesting. Same font pairing, a small font, a thin font. Here a bold, and I think here is like maybe a regular, but also the kerning. Here the kerning is really close, and here there is a lot of space between letters, so this is interesting. After animations, small effects. There is a lot of effects, but they are really, really well done. So it's working because everything is super well done, everything is smooth, elegant, and it reflects also the photography and everything reflect the personality, and yeah, it creates like an atmosphere really interesting, and you can see that it's not a portfolio like you can see every day. So this is super interesting. It display the work, it display even testimonial in a way that we never see like this. So this is super interesting. This is the portfolio of Vicky Bray, and this is interesting because there is a great font pairing with a sans serif and a serif, and also the website is, the composition, the layout is really interesting. As you can see, the line space here, the paragraph is center, but it's part of the craziness of the website. You can see that the website, there is a craziness in this website, but because it's well done, we can accept some craziness, and here really reflect the personality of Vicky and the way, I mean, her work, because she work also with brands like we want something unique, and you can see on his website, just with the layout, the font pairing, the animation, that she creates something unique with this, also all this animation and parallax. This is a really good portfolio in terms of technical skills and personality. Another cool website is the website of Yuri Raman, and what I like here, it's because in portfolio we always show a picture, that this is a good way to show and play with the picture, and after the font choice and the line space, kerning, everything is super clean. The scroll is smooth. You can discover everything about Yuri. After all the animation, you really discover the personality of someone, and this is a really interesting project and portfolio that you don't see a lot. This is the website of Dennis Snellenberg, and same, the way to display the picture is super well done, because with the mix between the font and the picture, it's really clean, and all the animation in the website is super interesting. Just these little details show a lot about the way you work, that when someone go so deep in details and so well done like this, you really can see that it's someone that you really want to work with. So this is a really interesting portfolio. This is the portfolio of Titran, and I wanted to show you this one because it's really interesting, because it looks simple, but small details like this small smiley, the small parallax between the title, when you hover the picture. In terms of composition, there is no craziness, but it's well done, and for example, the photography is really interesting, and that finally it's so clean and well done that you can see a personality, that you can understand that she's doing good work. And when you see this over on the menu with all this identity about the photography, this is a really good portfolio. And finally, the website of Joe Moore. If you are in the Webflow field, you know Joe Moore. It's a really good Webflow developer and also designer. And yeah, you can see here a super interesting website with a lot of animation, but same as a designer and Webflow developer, show your skills. You can create a lot of animation, but if it's really well done, it's working. You know, small parallax on the project, the photography of the project is really interesting. It makes you want to click, and yeah, this is a really great website. It trigger the people and trigger the eyes, and you want to to navigate more on the website. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope it inspires you and give you a lot of idea for your next projects. If you like the video, let me know in comment and give me for you what is the best portfolio that you ever seen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye.